Well, hello there everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Magazine. Today I got my hands on a very interesting product which really I have been launching for a very long time, and that is something called as Android doll. That is right. I certainly intend to use this as one of the showpieces for my unboxing videos, and I'm really gonna be very happy to use that. So let's just go ahead and look at that, what really it is like.
So let's just go ahead and do a quick unboxing here. There is a box inside this box which I'm going to open this. The receipt is not really very visible here, but I will just leave the links in the description for you to check out the latest price in the US and India. So this is exactly what I was really wanting. I have really seen that in a lot of videos. There are a lot of people who like to keep these Android figures, and so as I also wanted to really see that. Let me keep the box aside. There is nothing inside the box, it's just a thermocol. So let's keep this aside, and here comes the beauty. So this is the Android which is written here. It says special edition, showpiece, perfume, toy, and for easier for his guess. Okay, well. This is made in Japan. Brought to you by Star Shippers. There is nothing in the sides, nothing much. Can refill perfume with our perfume balls, use as cute showpieces. Detach from plate and decorate anywhere. Play by children, 100% eco-friendly, fulfill decorative needs. Yeah, definitely. This is this Android figure. I just want to see. This looks cute. And if you really notice, Android is written on this one. And this hands really move. This also comes with the stand so that you can just put in the Android doll and rest on this one.
Fit in like this, and you can just keep on the table like this.
They have given a small opening here with which the fragrance can come out. Well, this was a short one. Thanks a lot for watching in this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos for you. Do ensure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.